Okay. So, for clarity's sake, this woman is going to identify as a person. And I'm going to use P instead of W. So, it's velocity of the wind compared to the person equals velocity of the wind. Sorry, velocity of the wind according to the person is the velocity of the wind minus the velocity of the person. We all okay with that? Now, the key is there's usually always two scenarios. There's scenario A and scenario B. And what always happens is the wind never changes direction or speed in the two scenarios. So the wind is a constant. So velocity of wind, for argument's sake, is xi plus yj every time. There is one or two exceptions, but we'll come across them later. Everybody good so far? Next thing. Velocity of the woman in scenario 1. Oh, sorry, velocity of the person in scenario 1. Anybody? 2 meters due south. Minus 2. Minus 2j. And therefore the velocity of the woman, sorry, the velocity of the wind from the perspective of the person is phi w minus phi p. So what's that? xi, y minus 2, which is j. Now, next question is you're going to do your crosshairs like so. And what direction is the wind appearing to come from? Oh, sorry, what direction is the wind appearing to go? It appears from the northwest, which means it's actually going southeast. Is that cool with you? So it's actually going southeast. Everybody cool with that? And this is an angle of 45. Is this one of the problem quadrants I spoke about? Yes. Yeah. Right, perfect. So this is x and this is y plus 2. And if I was to write tan 45 equals x over y plus 2, I'd be wrong. Because as we identified earlier in the day, that this is a quadrant where you need to multiply with minus in. So what do? Just lob a minus on the numerator and off I go. Tan 45 we all know is 1. Cross multiply we get y plus 2 equals minus x. Bring the x out to your side, we're going to get x plus y equals minus 2. You all good with that? Alright. Now, next thing we're going to do is scenario 2. So I've done scenario 1 and that's the equation that has resulted from it. Next we're going to go up and do scenario 2. Now what's the deal with scenario 2? Instead of minus 2, we're at minus 14. And our phi WP is going to be not y plus 2, but it's going to be y plus 14. What direction is it coming from now? Oh. Read the language really clearly. Read the language really clearly. Very slowly. From the in A. See where they're trying to get you? They're trying to basically use language to draw the error. Okay? So what direction is it actually going in? It's going northeast. Okay? So we're just going to grab this here, like so. Drag it to northeast. You're not y plus 2 anymore, you're y plus 14. And you're y plus 14. And this is still 45 degrees, isn't it? And would everybody agree it's still x on the bottom? Now, is this a problem quadrant where we have to adjust things? No. So tan 45 in this case is x divided by y plus 14. Cross multiply, that's 1 again, isn't it? So it's going to be y plus 14 equals x, x minus y equals 14. Down you go. 2x equals 12, x equals 6. And if x equals 6, what does y equal? Minus 8. The true velocity of the wind was 6i minus 8j. Does it want anything else from me? It wants the speed, doesn't it? How do you get the speed? Pythagoras' theorem, 6, 8 and 10. The speed is 10 kilometers an hour. Okay, have a pop a question too.